Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Audacity for beginners. It was simple and easy to use. And Audacity is an audio recorder and editor. But first, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. So before we proceed, let me show you on how to install Audacity. Go to your browser, then search for audacityteam.org. And then you will be directed to Audacity, free open source cross-platform audio software. And Audacity is an easy-to-use multi-track audio editor and recorder for Windows, Mac OS, or any other operating system. And Audacity is free to download. You can click here to download Audacity. Or you can simply tap this download button here. And after downloading Audacity, you'll be directed to Audio Recorder or Editor. But before you import or record an audio, you can see this project rate down here. It is the sample rate for sound frequency. The higher the sample rate, the accurate sound will be. But the file size will become bigger too. And 44100 is very good quality. Now we've set the project rate. Then you can see this MME over here on the drop-down list. It contains all the different audio drivers that you can use to record sound. You have here MME, Windows Direct Sound, and Windows Wasapi. And here you can choose MME. Then here you can see the microphone. You can select the microphone we can use to Audacity to record audio. You might have Microsoft Sound Mapper, microphone in 1 and 2 loopback, or microphone Realtek. You can select the mic you want to use. Then right in microphone, you can also choose if you will use mono or stereo. Most mic are simply on mono, so you might want to choose this mono. However, in stereo, you will get both left channel and right channel. But for now, we can choose mono. And right off this, we have the last drop down. This is the playback device once we record some audio where you want to play back the audio from. Here we can choose where you want to play back the sound. I'm going to leave it into my speakers. Next is we want to make sure that our mic level are set appropriately. If you look right here on the top, you can see these recording levels. And here, you can see the input volume, like this. And right on that, you can also set the recording volume. So let's try. If you click on this red button here, it will start to record your voice, like this. It will record all the sound it detected. And you can continue to speak until you want to stop. So if you tap this red button here, it will start to record your voice. And if you tap this, you will stop recording. So let's start recording our voice again. Click this red button here. And you can start speaking. And it will record your voice. Like, I want to eat chocolate cookies and drink milk tea. And to play your recording, you can click here on play button here. And you can also adjust your recording like this. You can click here and split your recording, and you can now start your recording here. You can also zoom in and zoom out your recording if you click here. like this. You can zoom in your recording and adjust it if you want to adjust the waves. Just click and it will zoom in or zoom out your music. You can adjust it by then. You can also add music or import music to your recording and overlay it to your voice record. And to import music to your recording, you can go to your file and then click to import and then click audio. And there you have successfully import a music to your recording. Also, you can adjust the amplification like this and the new peak amplitude. To adjust the amplification, you can select the part you want to adjust and then click Effect and then Amplify. And here you can select or adjust the amplification. And if you click here, you can adjust the position and drag the music. So let's try adjusting the position of this music. You can click here and then drag it forward or backward. And here, we can forward it a little bit to match with our voice recording. Then to finally save our project, you can go to your file, click Save Project, and then click Save Project As, so that it will be saved on your device. And there you have successfully saved your project. And we have learned how to use Audacity to import music, how to record your audio, and we have learned how to drag or adjust our recording. All you have to do is to explore the settings, the drop-down list, to familiarize how to use Audacity. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you to use Audacity. And if you have a question, you can leave a note below on the comment section. And if you like this video, you can leave a thumbs up below. And you can click on subscribe button and the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. See you on the next video.